Many people like us, who are learning English, like to use TED Talks. But we have trouble reading TED Talk scripts due to difficult words and sentences we don't understand. It can end up causing us to lose our motivation. So, I made the English in the TED Talk simpler. I broke it down into easier sentences to help you understand better. When you start with these easier sentences, you can get a basic idea of what the talk is about. And if you come across something you don't understand, it sparks your curiosity to learn more. And when you watch the TED Talk, while following these simpler sentences, it'll be much easier to understand the original one. Reading practice. For speaking. Read silently or aloud, as if you were telling it to someone else. Audio will be without repetition, with a brief pause between each chunk or sentence. He is studying human behavior through pickpocketing techniques and manipulating their attention for tricks. Apollo continues to distract Joe's attention anyway. Joe is so distracted by the conversation and instructions that his belongings, and even the watch he is wearing on his hand, are stolen.
Joe, we'll keep doing this until you catch it. You'll get it eventually. I believe in you. Squeeze firmly. You're not slow. It's back on your shoulder. You were focused on your hand and distracted. While you were watching, I couldn't take your watch off. But you had something in your pocket. Do you remember what it was? Check your pocket. Is it still there? Oh, there it is. Put it away. We're just shopping. This trick is all about timing. I'm going to try to put it inside your hand. Put your other hand on top. It's pretty clear now, isn't it? It looks a lot like the watch I was wearing, doesn't it? Thanks. But this is just the beginning. Let's try it a little differently. Hold your hands together. Put your other hand on top. If you're looking at this small token, it has obviously become a small target. Like a distraction. If we watch it closely, it seems to disappear. It's not back on your shoulder. It falls from the air. And lands right back in the hand. Did you see it go? We have a little helper. He works up there all day. If I do it slowly, it disappears. And lands near your pocket. Is it in this pocket, sir? Don't reach into your pocket. That's a different show. I need help with this one. Step over this way for me. Don't run away. You had something in your pants pocket. And I was checking mine. I couldn't find everything. But I noticed you had something here. Can I feel the outside for a moment? Down here. I noticed this. Is this something of yours, sir? I have no idea. That's a shrimp. You've entertained all these people in a wonderful way. Better than you know. So, we'd like to give you this lovely watch as a gift. Hopefully, it suits your taste. We also have some cash. And a few other things. These all belong to you. Along with a big round of applause. From your friends. Joe, thank you very much. So, the same question I asked you before. But this time you don't have to close your eyes. What am I wearing? Attention is a powerful thing. Like I said, it shapes your reality. So, I'd like to ask you this. If you could control someone's attention, what would you do with it? Thank you.